Consistency. Why is it a core pillar of branding? Let's start with an example. Let's say you're looking to buy some sports shoes online, all right? You see a pair that catches your eye, let's say the brand Sporters. They have an athletic design and seem rather comfortable. You read the brand description and get told that the brand is all about reimagining sportswear for the modern athlete. Why not? Fair enough. Now, you go on their website and look to browse more models. Maybe you'll find one that's even better. And as you scroll down through their shop page, you start to see some casual leather shoes with a large fit. You're intrigued. I mean, these don't look very sporty. Out of curiosity, you check the description, and this time the brand description reads, "Sporters, for maximum everyday comfort." At this point, you're probably confused about what the brand stands for, and your trust in the initial statement has dropped like a stone from a cliff. What is this brand actually about? Do they just make any shoes they can and just slap a slogan on it? If you're like most customers, you would now go back to your initial search and avoid this brand altogether. This is an example of the importance of consistency. Maybe both pairs of shoes are of excellent quality and would be of great value to their respective target markets. However, because the brand is inconsistent in its message, it completely destroys any sense of trust. There's actually an old proverb that I feel is quite relevant in this case. If you chase two rabbits, you will lose them both. Consistency is about sending the same message and offering the same promise regardless of the sales channel, platform, and time. There's a reason why Nike has had the same slogan, "Just do it," since 1988. A repeated message is one that sticks, and it must not conflict with other messages. This applies fully to brands on Amazon, especially since it's so easy to browse products from the same brand through the brand stores, through the people also buy, comparison table in the EBC, and sponsored ads. Giving the same consistent brand information throughout your listing will further reinforce the conviction in your customers that you actually are about what you say you're about, which will lead to greater trust and as such, more sales.